let's start this. Turn this down a bit. You know how it goes. Okay, deep breath. Whoa, what happened to my camera? Uh-oh. Why is everything so laggy? It's because I use a different USB plug on the back of my computer. Oh my god. Please. What is going on? My audio's fine. I'm not dropping frames, but my webcam is going nuts. What is this? Hold up. Hold up. I'll be back. I gotta fix that. Oh my god. Pro streamer. Pro streamer. Here. Oh my god. That's a good start, everyone. It's a good start. That's good. Oh my god, looks like crap. Oh well. Let's keep going. So, lesson learned. I'm supposed to use this. I used a different USB port this time, and I was like, yeah, it should be fine. USB is USB, right? No, apparently not. Okay. Pro streamer. Right. How you doing? Glad you're here. Thanks for awesome. A lot of like what? Whoa! I hear dogs outside. Freak me out. It's late at night right now. Okay. Oh, focus. Anyways, what's up? Let's see here. Carlton and Ole, you guys were here first. Thank you so much. You were here before I even started streaming. That's really awesome of you guys. Peter, Carlton, Donald, Daniel, Steven, who else? Thomas, and Freedom for Dave. Welcome back. Arturo, I think you're new here, I think. Thank you so much for being here. All right. Hopefully this is on. Hopefully you guys are seeing this. Let me know in the chat room if everything's going well now. If you can see me already. And yeah, this is awesome. So what are we doing today? Let's press save on that. What are we doing today? I don't know. Ah, here we go. Of course that's not showing up. There we go. That's what we're doing. So, I've seen this Dribbble shot a while. Pretty cool. I was like, oh my god, it's amazing. It's open. It's a redesign of SpaceX's website. So of course, I fell in love with it. Easily fell in love with it. And I was like, this is hard. This is hard to do in Flexbox, but I'm gonna still do it. And actually, I was like experimenting, like trying to imagine what would e-commerce be like in Webflow, and combine my two passions, which is space and Webflow, and came up with the kind of the. Oh my god, what's wrong with this? Hello. There we go. I'm gonna have to switch back and forth each time. It sucks. Here, throw it here. Okay. Yeah, so I did this, and this is all Flexbox. So it's cool and all. It works. It's all pretty sick, you know. Like, I want to buy a Falcon 1. Boom, done. Purchase. Go for it. You know, but yeah, I did this in Flexbox. But you know what? It would be easier. Like I said in my not my previous stream, but the one before it. You know, it'd be easier. You know what would make this easier? Grid. And so I'm allowed to stream it. And if you've been here, I mean, like a bunch of you guys, like Daniel and Steven, Peter, I think, and Donald, you guys are following all the Webflow streams. Thank you so much. You were watching Pablo's, I think. We were all in that chat room together, and then you were in Waldo's stream just the couple hours ago. You guys are awesome. I love the Webflow community. I've always been looking for a community like this, where you can just geek out about web design. Web design is not a game. Web design is mainly a job. It's a career. It's like something that you're supposed to do on a 9 to 5, and then when you're done with work, you don't think about web design. But like you, I can't stop thinking about it, because it's like you look at everything in the world and you're like, how would I incorporate that into a website? And then you look at websites every day and you think, how can that be made better? You know? And so thank you so much for being here. All right, let's grid it up, shall we? And if you're new here, let me know. I want to say thank you to you personally. Ethan, what's up? Cool. All right, so I want to build something like this, but more along the lines of this. So I'm going to go back and forth with this one. Wait, how come switching tabs works here, but okay, I don't understand what's happening with things and the things, all the things. If I put this back here and then I switch tabs. You gotta live that dream. I know I ain't supposed to feel it, but oh how it feels. Life. What is life? So if I bring out the tab, it works. But if I anyways, let's go. Let's turn down this volume. Stop the music. Let's play. Okay, so in grid you have this. Let's count the grid things, okay? Okay, so this is my first time. Oh my lord! Come here. All right, so this is my first. Probably like. Not really. Okay, this was gonna be my first time using grid, like. For real, like where I can sit down and I'm like gonna use it. So we're both going to learn it as we go, okay? And again, this is alpha. This is not even beta yet. Even though we have a beta tag on there, it's still alpha. There's still things being put inside of it. Some of the UI is still being changed. So take this as a little sneak peek of what's happening in Webflow grid inside of Webflow, okay? And if you're not familiar with CSS grid, it's just an easier way to make layouts inside of Webflow. But inside of websites. But in Webflow, we're giving you on-canvas controls so you can manipulate your grid without having to mess around with the styles panel as much. Yeah, you don't have to rely on the styles panel. Like with Flexbox, you have to heavily rely on the styles panel. And now we're giving you on canvas, okay? Daryl, you're new here. What's up? So here we go. Donald is choosing Webflow streams over Netflix? Well, Webflow streams are free, so you're saving money if you want to think about it that way. And these could make you money because you're learning from them. Okay, let's go. So let's see here. This is going to be 100% width, 100% height on the viewport. That's simple. But what's the grid going to be like? I'm thinking it's going to be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's say 10. I don't know. But of course we can size the grid however we want. But I'm going to say 10 columns across. Rows, make it 1, what is that? 1, 3, 5? I'm totally guessing here. Again, this is my first time using grid, so I saw Waldo use it, and he had like 32 by 32 to make that Spider-Man, and I'm like, whoa, that's nuts. But with grid, you can set these up however you want. It's like old school tables, man. Old school HTML1 tables. Remember those days? It was pre-MySpace, man. It was like AOL days. Remember America Online? Yeah? You get like 5 free hours with a 3.5 floppy disk. Right? Right? I'm old. Let's go. So first thing to do is I'm going to just drag in a grid. Boom. I have my grid. Now, I would strongly suggest not setting up your grid immediately. I would strongly suggest turning this off right here. Okay. Turning off the edit grid template and setting your height. So I'm going to set to 100 VH. Now I can see my grid. And the reason why I'm not able to see it is because if I remove the height, there's no elements inside of each grid cell or whatever they call it, grid box thing. I'm going to call them cells. So there's nothing inside of each grid cell, so it's collapsing just like any other div would in this day of web design. So I'm going to set this up, the overall grid with 100 VH. Now I see this. All right. Loving Webflow, former Muse user. Then you're going to love this, Daryl, because I doubt Muse ever had this. And I am pretty sure they'll never have this because they're already sunsetting. So here we go. So I can click on this guy to edit the grid template. So that's pretty new. Or this guy. They do the same exact thing. But again, we're trying to do more on canvas controls. So boom. Whoa. Didn't I tell you alpha? That's strange. Yeah. Told you, alpha. Still some things. But it's okay. We should be able to work with it. I said 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, pretty cool. Okay, cool. And I want to get rid of the gap. So, fall into the 0. Cool. So I set the 0 on the gap. And the rows, we said 5. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, did I do 11? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, I did. Boom, gone. All right. So this plus sign is not supposed to happen. If it is, then ignore me. And also, if you want to change your grid color, you can. So you can see it better. If, for instance, if you're working on something and then like the pink or the purplish pink is like getting in the way of your design because you're using that same color, you can change it right here. Oh, what? You can move it up and down? I accidentally clicked it. That's pretty cool. Can you do that with the interaction toolbar thing too? I have never tried that. I've never thought to click right here. Okay, there needs to be an icon that says like an up arrow and then a down arrow. See, we're learning something together. Right there. Paulino, what is up? Sonic the Hedgehog. All right. Webflow is 10 times better than Muse. 10? 100? 200? Over 9,000? Okay, so our grid is done. Clicky, done. So we have that grid. Awesome. All right, so first thing, no, I don't want you. I want the other you. I want you. Okay, there we go. So first thing, let's go ahead and put SpaceX here. And so there is some sort of like huge margin on the left and right. So you know what I can do? I can just make this grid like that. Cool. Let's just throw it. Let's just throw it 90. Let's say 100. 100 on both sides. Why? Oh no. So we'll go 100 on both sides. So we have some space. And then from the top and bottom, let's go with 32. Cool. All right. Since it's 32, I'm going to get a scroll bar. Okay. So that's not good. So I need to remove this and set it to 100%. Okay, 100% of the parent. But since the body is its parent and the height is set to 0, I have to set this to 100%. And there we go. Oh, it's still going to push down like that. Womp womp. Okay. I'll do something easier then. Alright, let's undo everything I've done. Okay, we're back here. I'm going to drag in a div block, and it's going to be a child of this, and this div block right here is going to do the paddings. So this is going to do 32, and then this is going to do, let's do 72 right there, or no, I'll go 78. Cool, like that. And then call this wrapper. And for the grid though, it's not going to be 100 VH, it's just going to be 100%. Oh, I don't like that. I won't be able to see. I gave, oh, this wrapper right here, it's not. There we go. Okay, here's what I did. So the wrapper is 100 VH, so I'm giving that a set height, and the grid is 100% height of its parent. So that's how it's able to push through. Okay, cool. Confirm you can click the interaction bar and move it around. I did not know that, Steven. I thought you can't move it. All right, Arturo, can you use full column and row around as margins? Can you use a full column and row around as... Yeah, you can. You know, you can play around with, if I go like this, and I set the margin, I can, like, what's the size of that? You know, based on fractions. You know, I can do it like that. But, again, this is my first go at this, so I'm probably doing something wrong. I have to break some of the stuff I've been doing as a habit. Probably I shouldn't be doing padding, but you know, we'll see. We'll see. All right. So, next, the first thing I want to do is this space right here. Okay, so I'm gonna put the logo and then like these two guys. So, logo and those two guys. Let's put them in here. What? It seems like there's not enough space though. It feels like, look at how much space is in between there. And if I already use these 4 boxes, and then these 2 boxes are, yeah. So how about I add more rows? I wonder, yeah, this is a totally different way to design. Okay, I'm just gonna keep adding rows till it feels right. Yeah, see, I can't explain what I'm doing yet. This is just the exploration. I'm going to remove in the title tutorial. I'm just going to call it space exploration. Get it? Because it's SpaceX. Okay, we're done. Let's keep going. All right, let's put in our first div. Let's just get over it, okay? I'm going to put a first div right here. Okay, feeling good. Now, I'm going to take over 3 boxes? 2? Man, I'm so unconfident right now, but I'm just gonna keep going. All right, so this is gonna be my, like, this area right here, and I don't know what to call it, so let's just leave it as a div block and a link block. So this div block acts like a regular div block now. It's just that it's placed in here, and it's not like an absolute thing. Oh man, a lot of beginners in Webflow, they always get confused as to, hey, how come I can't just place something in a spot that I want? This fixes that. Huh. Oh, dude. Grid. It's going to be a thing. Put the logo there. I can't see the logo right now, so let's make the background, let's make the body background a color. There we go. Let's get 2s. Cool. All right. Call this logo. Push this down a bit. Actually, no. I want to grid all the things. Can I grid the grid? All right. So we'll say it's 3 by 2. We're gonna put grid the grid. All right. Okay. So this is a div block. Let me go here and press Control X to cut. And we're gonna call this top left, and we're going to grid exception. And this is let's just remove the gap. Okay, got it. And set this to 100%. 100%. Okay, so we're grid on grid. Okay, and this one, the grid on grid, is gonna be, I said 2 columns and then 3 rows. This is so weird. Okay, we're done. Gonna paste. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. I'm gonna get this. Wait, I'm gonna get this logo, and I'm gonna. No, I want you here, and then I'm gonna go like this. No, I want you there. Okay, okay, we're doing things. Now I want to add content, right? So I'm gonna have a bunch of links. So we'll do a link. Oh, this is so weird. I think Nelson's. What? Vlad's here? No. Hi. Nelson's getting these puns started. Dad mode enabled. Why are you here, Vlad? I thought it's family time. I don't know how you do it, Vlad. I don't know how you do it. Seriously. To build this product and to have this company culture. Again, I was a fan first, and I did that interview with you when I first started this YouTube channel, and I thank you so much for this product. Everyone in the chat room, I traded my family for your stream. No, I don't want to be the reason. Navlink. Yeah, I don't want to be the reason. This is bad. I'm not a fan of Arial. So I'm going to go back to my body, change this to something better. Droid? I think, what are they using? I'm just going to use Open Sans, because it has a lot of weights. So, no. Oh no, they're using something like a medium or something. Semi-bold? Semi? Alright, and it's all caps. Cool. No underline. Oh wait. That's on body. Go back and see here. No underline. This is for the links. No underline and all caps. Okay, so we have about SpaceX, careers, gallery, shop. Now he's really jumping into the nitty gritties. I'm not going to give you that one, Vlad. That was Mariah's. Don't take that away from her. About SpaceX. About SpaceX. Okay, that's cool. Alright, so we have that. Can I paste it? Okay, lesson learned. When you copy and paste a link, it's acting as its own element, and it places it on top. So if you notice, I press space. My mind was thinking it's going to go down. It's going to go shift to the next row. Because of that, now I have to kind of rethink how I do this. So I'm going to bring in another div block just right here. I'm going to place that into, no, not there, in here. And then I'm going to put these in here. And so it'll do the natural, yeah, that's what I thought. It'll, why are you writing? Oh, it's in, yeah, display inline. Okay, this is, you guys might be getting confused if you're new to this. But, yeah, you got to think about grid as a placement, and then still use your knowledge of Flexbox, and even before Flexbox, the way how things stack on top of each other with display block. Yeah, you're going to have to keep those in your tool bag. All right. So lesson learned. So, okay. Okay, I got a better explanation. So right here, this is grid right here. Okay, this has a grid property. Any direct children of it will be like a cell. It will be only for a cell. And so these were direct children of this. And so that's why the overlapping was happening. And because I didn't want that overlap to happen, I made these, I wrapped these with another div block. So now I can just paste. And there we go. Okay. And these are getting way too close to the logo. So if you're thinking the old way, like, oh, I want to push this down because I don't want the logo to be close to, yeah, I don't want the logo to be close to these. I did not expect those to be pushed down, honestly. I was going to say this would just do the overlapping thing, but it's doing that. This is a very interesting, yeah, very interesting. Puns hot off the griddle. Okay. Google Sheets workshop. Okay. So next we're going to put a rocket in E5 through E10. No. All right. About SpaceX. Careers gallery. Careers. No. Come back. Ah! Turn that off. Careers gallery shop. Okay. So now I can just copy and paste. So see, it's a direct child and it went on top. So I'm going to, this one right here, I'm going to click on it and then drag. And there we go. And so now I can just delete these right here and just put updates. So it's much easier than Flexbox. But again, don't remove Flexbox out of your knowledge. You may you may need it. The grid demo that we first saw with Linda, the product manager of this feature, she showed us how to use Flex inside of Grid. So, yeah, and updates. Okay, cool. Yeah, so this grid right here, maybe I want to add more gap because these guys. So for the columns, let's add a gap of 16. Cool. This is fun. I don't like how close these are. But is this cheating? See, again, I'm not sure. Is this cheating if I go like this? Is this like... I don't know what's hacky and what's not. But we're going to do it anyway. Because in the end, it's just... Does it work? Yeah? Then there you go. Will it work on every size screen? Yep. Like, do I need to go back into the parent grid and then, like, resize this grid? Like, I guess. Yeah. And then, yeah, so I'm so unsure about the things. Oh, I removed that, but these are still here. So what happens? They look like they're just floating in space. Okay, well. Yeah, this is very, very interesting. Your stream rules. No, thank you so much. That sounds like a formula for success. Nelson is a great rapper. Oh my god. I want that as a shirt. I need like a hip hop logo. Like, I need to find. Okay, that's gonna be like a hip hop sweatshirt or something, and it says "great rapper." But it has to be in, like, I don't know, carrots or something that, you know, it's code and it's a pun. Oh my god, that would be a great sweatshirt or shirt, whatever. Oh, let's do it. Webflow pun shirts. Did you see my comment about the padding? Hold on. Scroll up. Oh, what you can do is remove the outer div with the padding and leave the 2 and 2 for the padding and work inside so you don't have to think about it being responsive. Okay, so you're saying, okay, we're all taking a journey together. So I'm going to remove the middle. So I'm kind of scared because if I remove the middle, I'm like, what happened? What happened to those guys? They're still there. But, okay. Wait. Yeah, see? Still alpha. There's this gap right here that's still showing me. Whoa, okay. Yeah. See? Things. Okay. So where did the... Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, so they're gone. Let me edit grid template. Yeah, okay, so I fixed that. So that middle row that I deleted, I have to... So I first deleted it here, and then I have to drag up my divs. Okay. And now this works. Okay. Thank you so much, Carlton. You missed the spreadsheet joke and the formula for success. I guess you don't excel at these. Seriously. I'm going, hold on. Domainer.com. Search. Oh, they changed their, wow. Look at that. They changed their website. VladJokes.com is available. Just saying. Oh, you don't see my tab. That's fine. Yeah, VladJokes.com. I need to make a catalog. Of course, using Webflow CMS with that. All right, so we got this done. Let's go ahead and finish this up by doing a hover. So slowly but surely, we're getting there. It's like an orange goldish thing right here. There, cool. And then my hover states. Cool. All right, see? All right, so you don't have to use Flexbox. It wasn't too hard. But at the same time, it's like you got to add new knowledge. But you'll get it. All right, let's do this guy right here at the bottom. I'm going to do Falcon 1-9 Heavy and then Big Falcon Rocket and then Dragon. And it'll be Dragon and Crew. Because there's two types of, well, there's three types, but I've never heard of them using the Lab Dragon. They've only used Dragon for shipping stuff to the ISS, and now they're making the Crew Dragon. All right, so they're gonna be here. I'm gonna take up these 6. All right, so I'm gonna take you here like that. I think that's enough space. Okay, cool. We should totally add a grin container to web. A grin? Oh, man. Okay, so with those, I would need. Do I have to? I don't think I have to do a gridception for this one. But you know what? I'll do it anyway. Rockets. Gridception. Boom. Do it. All right. And like I always say, it's best to exactly see what you're doing. So you do 100%, 100%, and you're good. So that way you can see what you're doing with your new grid. All right. Let's get 1 row. Cool. And 3 columns. Boom. Not too hard. I like it. And now I need a text link. Cool. This one's going to be Falcon Punch. Okay, so Falcon. Rocket link. And oh, there's this cool thing with the align. Let me try it out. So with this align, you can. Am I aligning the rocket link or the grid item? Okay, so the grid item, I'm going to baseline. Nope, I'm thinking the end. Oh, that's horizontal. Okay, cool. Start. That makes sense. But vertical, I want it to the end. Yep, that's exactly what I want. I want it all the way to the bottom because I want to turn it. And let's see how I turn it. Oh wait, hold on. No. Yes. Make this super bold. Make this white. And there we go. Let's flip the script. Transform. I want to put it down here. And I want to rotate this. I'm always confused on how to do this kind of stuff. Can someone teach me? Is it because my transform isn't right? One of these. How come I'm getting different? Was it like that when I first clicked it? Interesting. So, y'all should be cogridians. What is a cogrid? I don't understand the things. All right, you guys have a party in there. Have fun. Yeah. Okay. What? No. Rotate. -90. I'll leave you there. I'm gonna add another one so I can move you. I know there's an easier way to do this. Hacky. Oh my. Let's go 50. Okay, so why did you go and like just push everything away? Why did you do that? Is it because of this guy right here? Nope, it's not. All right. So yeah. Okay. This is direct child, so I'm going to paste so I can put it in another cell, and it's not going to work because it's so thin. What? I'm doing something wrong here. I think it's this. It's not. It's the rotate. Interesting. Oh, it's because the width, okay. Huh. It's the width of the text is doing it. All right. Yeah, I think it can tell them. Okay, good night, Vlad. Vlad says, all right, time to head out. I have my job interview at Adobe bright and early tomorrow. Yeah, okay. I'm sure they'll be amused. Oh. Carlton says, good luck, bro. Tell them that you know Grid. Oh, man. I should get the chat up. Oh, my God. Can I get the chat up? Hold up. Let's see here. Copy. Oh, I pressed remove. No, paste. Link source. Yeah, it's too big. I don't know where to put this. Can you still see it? But it's removing some of the Webflow UI. Hold on, let me see what it looks like on the YouTubes. You can kind of see it. All right. Can you still see the desktop? Yes, you can. All right, cool. Well, now I have to stay. No, go to XSplit. I'm using XSplit, Vlad. Go to sleep. We need your energy to keep pushing forward the future of web design. You are the key. All right. How do I turn this? Okay, so what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to turn rockets. I'm going to turn this guy and just see what happens to grid. Okay. Okay, so interesting. So if I paste and I drag it, interesting. Okay. Let's go to rockets and let's go back here. And what if, oh, the transform origin is, okay, there. This is interesting. How do I just turn you? But now I have so much space on top. Oh my. Google Grid. All right. So let me just, how about this? Let's just do the thing. Let me reset it back, and we're going to do it horizontal for now. Okay. So we're going to use 3 columns. So I'm going to Control X this. Going to edit this grid, and we're going to do three rows instead of columns. That. Bump, bump, bump. Done. Go here, paste. So we have 1, 2. Jeez. 1. 2. Copy, paste. 3. Okay. Cool. Falcon, and then big falcon. Rocket. Wait. 1, 9 heavy. And this one is dragon/crew. All right. Hey, Nelson, put all the vertical text in a div, then rotate it. Okay. I think that's what I did. And then I'll take this and rotate it. That's what I was thinking too. All right. Rotate 90 degrees. Okay. Not bad. And I'm guessing this needs to be bigger, so let's go down here. Yep. All right. Okay. Okay. Feeling better, but I'm guess, does this need like a top padding to push you guys down so it fits? Huh. Exploration. The degree to which you know this stuff is impressive. It's part of my job, Vlad. Please use these streams as part of my end of the year review. Just kidding. All right. So these should be smaller. Wait, why did that shrink? That's interesting. I want these all in one line. I don't want them to wrap. There's this, isn't there's like a white space, CSS white space called like no wrap. We don't have it in Webflow, but I want it. Oh geez. Come back. There we go. CSS no wrap. What is it? White space. That's what I was talking about. Yeah. So if you want custom CSS and you want to see it happen live on the designer, you can drag in an embed, like put it somewhere at the top, don't matter, and then do your custom CSS, and then do the things. So rockets, anchor tags, save and close, boom, see, just like that. And we don't need to see the actual element, so you can just set this display none, and you're good to go. Okay? Good night, Vlad. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for joining us. All right. So this is looking lame. It's overlapping. So how about we use VWs? Oof. Nah, VWs is lame. Okay, we'll do this. Keep it like this, say 30, and this will be 36. But yeah, each rocket link should be closer to each other. Why are you so far away? I'm guessing, oh, is it because it's on end? Start. Oh, that's why. Oh, okay. All right, so what if I make this smaller? Oh wow, I'm really pushing the grid to a limit. What if it's 1? Ooh, and it pushes it. No. Okay, what about this one? So it's turned, but this one isn't turned. I bet you the devs like didn't think about this yet. Oh, I'm pushing it way too far. Just for this one. So rotating is a thing. Let's see here. Let's remove that. Okay, that helps a little bit more. Yeah, so what I should have done, now that I'm thinking about it, is so I don't have all that gap in between each one, I should just wrap them all in one to do the thing I did with these. Okay, so lessons are being learned. I'm going to wrap you guys in one. There you go. There you go. There you go. And I'm going to take out that no wrap because I do want wrap. No. What? Yeah, I do want wrap. So go like this. All right. So that one's first. And then big falcon rocket, and then crew. Okay. And then right here, this should, whoa. What is going on? Okay, so you, no, not you. You should only be one. If I don't need, if it's only one, then I don't even need. I'm just confusing myself. Jesus. Okay, deleting this. Whew, we got this. Let's go again. Paste. You're here. That's fine. And I want you here at the bottom. That would have been so much easier, Nelson. What are you doing? Wait. Okay. Okay. Okay, we're here, and we're gonna call this rockets. That's fine. Okay, we got this. And you know what? Don't need that. Okay, that's fine. And let's do the grid and alignment. Interesting. It's down here now. The children. So this is for the children. What if I want rocket? I don't see. Huh. Rockets, grid, and alignment. I want it at the top. Nope. Not that. Not that. So why aren't you over here? Why don't you go home? Interesting. This is where Flexbox would be handy. I guess so. I'm really pushing it with the rotation. And I've had trouble with rotation before. Rotated text. And maybe I'm doing it wrong. Which that can't be true. Okay, well that fixes that. That's interesting. So what if I just do this and then hack away so we can move on to the next thing? Yeah, we'll do this. And again, if you guys can find a better way to do this, we're all learning together. Please, I'm going to let you make a copy of this, clone it on your own, and when Grid comes out, you guys just mess with it and be like, oh, this is easy. And I'll be like, show me your ways. Because I want to learn. Look at all this mess, though. Oh. Okay. Well, we're doing it. We need a hover state. Let me save the yellow color. Hover. Save it. Cool. Go here, get a hover state, and do the same thing. Yellow, gold, cool. So we're there. Now let's at least let's make this pretty a little bit. So I'm going to get this wrapper, give it a background, make it pretty, and pretty. Cool. Oh, that black bar, I don't like it. Oh wait, that'd be cool. It's all like movie-ish. Something like this. No, I don't want you to repeat. Okay, fine. Cover it is. Cover, centered. That works. That's so pretty. Oh my god. Can you imagine? In like 7 or less years, that thing is gonna... They're going to start doing grasshopper tests on this. If you don't know what a grasshopper test is, they just fire it a little so it can hover a little bit and come down. Google search Falcon rocket or grasshopper SpaceX tests or something. So you see what I mean. But they're going to do it with this big thing. What? That's what makes me excited. All right, so let's do these. Let's do these. Actually, I can do this one. It's just in the same row. I'm going to guess you're right here. So let's just put a piece of text. And then we'll... What does this say? Capabilities and services. Capabilities and services. Is everything all caps? Everything's all caps. Well, dang. Subtext. White, titanium white. Yeah, let's make this smaller. Something like that. And, I guess I can throw it over one. There we go. Cool. And we'll center it. And here we go. Vertical, center. See, this is kind of like Flexbox right here. That's pretty cool. I like ye. Wait, is it on the same baseline? No, yeah, it's centered with the logo. Cool. Cool. So that's done. Next thing, let's get this big. Let's call it H1. SpaceX Designs and Manufacturers. Oh, that's on their website. So let me go to their actual site. Their H1 is so small. Okay, let's put H1 up in here. Well, somewhere around y'all. Oh my god, I just missed South Park. I wonder why they're... Yeah, saying yeah reminded me of South Park. But let's just take this whole thing. Yeah, I gotta watch it on Hulu's or whatever. So if that's taking up that many cells, I can center it like that, and there we go. Yeah, this grid makes non-rotated stuff easy. So I was pushing it with the rotation. I gotta figure that out, man. All right, here we go. White. Make this 0. Make this 0. I like to have control. Don't message retracted. Try practicing with Spotlight search, Nelson. I think it's underrated. Spotlight search. Oh yeah. I need it. Yeah. Control K. Hello. So the new quick find. That's really cool. All right, I'm going to try to do that. Keep that in my head. The line space is really small, but then this is really huge. Actually, let's just take up the whole thing. Let's go. Boom. No fear. Boom. Oh, that's so easy. Oh, that feels so good. Oh, they're using a very thin... Yeah, I don't know what font they're using. Anyone know? What font is this? Inspect. Brandon Grotesque. Is that available for free? Google font. Okay. And not really. So what's... Is that close enough? Yeah, close enough. We'll use this. The C looks weird. Whatever. Couprum. How... How to put a Google font. Easy. Go to project settings. Go to fonts. Go here. And start typing it. There we go. Oh, look at, there's not many. Oh well, whatever. Only two sizes. Let's see how that looks. Maybe Bebas in the design. Oh, is there Bebas? There is no Bebas. B-E-B? No, there's none. Alright. No. Alright. Alright, let's just change these up a bit. Let's go back to body. Instead of open sans, we're going to use that one. Oh, that's ugly. We're just going to go this. My good old Montserrat. Because it has every... It's not thin enough, though. It's not thin! It's too thin. Okay, I mean compressed? What do you call it when the... I don't know anymore. I don't think it's a Google font. Yeah, you have to pay for it. Well, I mean, they have the money. Alright, let's make that. Yeah, extra bold is fine. This one, bold. Okay, we're keeping it. Keeping it, everyone. It's a done deal. You know what? This photo needs to be shown more. So, oh wow. Let's throw this down here. And I want to push it down a row. So I can see that. Nope, one more. Grid makes this so much easier. Look at that. Like, I want the photo to come out, and then you could just do the things. Man. Where was this during IE6, man? Like, this would have saved a lot of people so many headaches. Alright. Let's get that really close, something like that. And I want to push it to the bottom, so all you gotta do is vertical and... God, dude, so awesome. More transparent type. I think it's fine for now. Okay, I'm gonna put this... Whoa. Oh, okay, how come I can't? I want to put you here. Okay, lesson learned. Here's another lesson. Watch this. This is spanning 2 columns. If I want to bring it down, I'm like, hey, I want to span these 2 columns. So I'm going to bring it here. It resets to 1 and 1. Okay, 1 row, 1 column. So it's 1 cell. So if I want to span it, I have to do this again. Not too hard, but I mean, does that give balance though? Should I put that back here? Oh, cool. We'll leave it like that. This one is not making me happy for some reason. So let's put it right here. Cool. Alright. Look at that. That was fun. And it'll be more fun if there was a background video. So what if I just... Let's duplicate this and call this Falcon. Right? And so this will be like, this will be the current state, So I'm going to choose Falcon, and the current state for this going to be, I don't know what their blue is for SpaceX. Ooh, that looks pretty cool, like that. Like a navy bluish thing. Cool. And to indicate more that this is the current page, let's do a border of like 10 and set this to that and set this to that. That's cool. Something like that. So it's like, it really pops out more. Okay, 10 is pushing it. Ugh. Okay, 5. Okay. Cool. So, because if I go to the other ones, it's going to be weird if they're popping out like that. So, each one of these would need a transparent border. So, they're all on the same row. Yeah, cool. So, it's like that. All right, let's look at what they say about the Falcon. SpaceX. Falcon punch. Let's get, what would be their F9, F1, F9. Okay, let's just use this. Nope, come back. Aww. I need you. I need you here. I don't see. This is what you call in graphic design the rag. This rag is like going, it's lame. I want astronauts up here. Oh, could you see how grid looks in different viewports? Oh, yeah. I should go back. I went too fast. I'm just playing around with desktop. Okay. Yeah, let's do that. Thank you, Philip. All right. Let's do this. Condensed. That's the word I'm looking for, Daryl. Thank you. More condensed type. Try overlay. Trying overlay. Okay. What type of overlay do you want? Oh, I actually have this. I crudely cut it out. So check this out. I can put the rocket here. It's a bad cut. All right. Don't make fun of me. Oh, it looks pretty good here, I guess. And then I can just span this however I want, like that. So that's pretty cool. I can even put it like here. Make it span like that. That's pretty cool. But it looks lame in right there. So let's move it here. And so I can play. God, this is so fun now. Because you can move it almost anywhere you want. Oh, that's cool. Oh, no, it's... look at how bad the cut is. Let's do this. This wrapper right here. Overflow, hidden. There. Now you can't see my bad cut. Can't see it. Let's put it all the way to the top. See what happens. Oh, yeah. When you move something, it goes back to 1-1. Cool. It fits in between those two. That's so weird. Okay, what if the background... Let's push the background back. So let's do solid color. Something like that. Ugh, the cutout looks bad. Don't hurt me, but I used magnetic lasso tool just to quickly do this. I ain't got time for that kind of stuff. I got a kid. All right, so that's cool. Now let's get into Photoshop Web Ninja. No, I am not a Photoshop ninja whatsoever. I don't know what I'm doing in there. Like my wife, she loves cutting out stuff from backgrounds, and I'm like, how do you even like putting point after point after point, and then no, that's too tedious for me. But yet this is not tedious for me. All right, let's go. Responsive. Ugh. Fix the things. Hurry up before it hurts everyone's eyes. All right, we're gonna go 20 here. Well, actually, we don't need to go. We just go like that. And then something like that. 20 on all sides. Ugh. Fix all the things. Okay, so here's the cool thing about Flex. Ready? Check this out. If I want to move something, I just go like this. Boom. What? No, not like that. Sorry. Let's try it again. Top left. I want this whole thing to move to this one. Cool. And then I want you to span those. Actually, no. Let's go like this. Like, you can do anything. And then check this out. This right here. Let's go ahead and make it go right here. Change the font size a bit. Oh my god. That should be bigger though. Let's see here. What if I do it like this? Yep. And we'll throw it over here too. All the way. Nope. Too far. You went too far. You. Oh my god. Let's just go right here. Or throw it here. I'm just playing around now. What if you went right here? Okay, that's cool. And then you, sir. You. Actually, you should move up here. So everything I'm doing right now, like, it would kind of freak you out if you're not used to grid, right? Or if you never tried it. Because, like, I'm moving stuff around all willy-nilly. And you'd be like, if you've used Webflow before, you'd be like, no, you're moving stuff. And if you go back to desktop, you've messed up your whole layout. No, sir. No. Because grid. Boom. All that is saved. And so I'm just messing around with this breakpoint on down. Jen Simmons and whoever else is in the team who made this spec, who are the elders of the internet, if you watch IT Crowd, thank you so much. Oh, that's so awesome. Alright, let's make this at the start. Or let's center it. Yeah, that's cool. Something like this. Actually, no, we can just squish it right there. Yeah. And then we can make this rocket go higher. Get it? Make the rocket go higher. Actually, this is lame now. Let's put it back down here. Cool. And then this rotated thing. Let's move here. Whoa. Whoa, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing the things. Because of rotating. Okay. Cool. And we're... What just happened? Where's that other link? Okay. That's weird. The other link goes away. Let's try this again. Rockets. Team Rocket. I'm gonna... Okay. Let's do this. Team Rocket right there. Ah, interesting. Okay. That works. Alright, let's go back here to wrapper, and 10 is enough. Let's go back to 20. Cool. Cool. And so if I preview, it's responsive, yo. Oh. Because grid. Exactly. You can even change the number of rows and columns for different viewpoints. Yeah. Yes. Like, if you wanted to, you can add more columns for things. Oof. Oof. Here we go. This is how I always feel when I'm designing for each breakpoint. I'm like, oh yeah, it feels good in desktop. And then when I get to a smaller one, I'm like, okay, fix it. You got this. And then I'm like, okay, I'm good. And I go smaller. I'm like, oh god, it's getting too small. But we're able to do this. Just like that. Super simple. Let's do it like that. And put this to the top, I guess. Oh my god, this is too easy. Let's just put you down here for no reason. And here. Ooh, okay. So let's just put you here then. And put you here. Aww. This is... It doesn't even feel like web design anymore. It's just like... Just playing around. It's so... interesting. Okay. It's all peeking. Oh no. Oh my gosh. This is interesting. Okay, so next. Last one. Okay. Here we go. How do you solve for this? I think here's the cool thing about Grid. All right, so here's what I've learned so far. Grid lets you focus on the art direction of your project. Because when you're no longer thinking about how many columns do I need, when you're using the old school columns component, and you no longer have to think about, okay, how do I flex the heck out of this? Now you're thinking, all right, here's how many rows and columns I need for each breakpoint, so I can move things around to make the user understand the story better. That's awesome. All right, Carlton, please remember the screen height on mobile is not as big. Yes. Oh yeah. When it comes to mobile, what I always like to do is I like to take off 100 VH, because you never know how tall a device is. So I always go with straight pixels. So I'm going to say 800 pixels. And it makes people scroll, but I mean, at least you dictate how tall the thing is. Okay. So I'm going to leave it at 800. And then here's going to be 800 as well. All right. So when it comes to mobile, you always want to stack everything vertically. Lucky for us, Grid allows for that. So first thing I want to do is, this guy is really getting on my nerves now, and all of you need to like stop rotating. So let's fix that rotation, and let's remove this guy. Okay, that's fine. Here we go. Throw this up here, I guess. Oh my. There we go. I'm gonna let it span the whole thing. Oh, that's pretty sick. That's rad. Again, you just have to worry about art direction now, because you can overlap all the things. Whoa, look it. Oh, I mean, if the screen is this wide, it makes more sense. But I mean, look at how this fits. The rag fits right here. Oh, man. I'm just going to leave it like this so I can be happy. But I know it's not going to be like that. All right, let's go ahead and move this here. Let's move this up to 2 rows. 2 rows is fine. This, let's just make it something like this, something like this. Like that. And then vertical should be end, align, start. There we go. No. Yes. Let's pretend that it works like this. Huh. That was a good exploration. You have more control. Man, I should have asked Vlad if I can give you guys access. Is he still online? No, he's not. Okay, I need to take I'm gonna get so many DMs. I don't care. Okay, if you're in the stream right now, not if you're watching a recording. Actually, no. I'm gonna write down all the names. Hold on. All right. Just do like a raised hand emoji if you want access. This is not a guarantee. I want to thank you guys for being in here and watching. And so like I want to see if I can get you guys in. All right. So we got Daryl, Spencer. And you, of course, you have to have a Webflow account. I mean, that's a given, but just letting you know. Okay, Peter. Dimitrov. Josh Lopez. Philip. DePonte. And again, this is alpha. As you can see, there's still some craziness here and there. Steven Masuda. Thomas. I need your last name, Thomas. Like, I need to be able to look up your account. Shark Tech Designs. I hope that's the name on your account somehow. Felix. Oh, man. Wait. These Shark Tech and Felix, you guys are watching, but you're not saying anything. So yeah, thanks for lurking. Felix Vander One, Thomas Beckers. Okay, cool. Oh, Donald SV, Carlton, Gordon. And I think I'm missing one. Arturo. Colon. And Brian Montgomery is my name. Okay, got it. Brian Montgomery. Stephen Masuda, got you. Jeff Jean. Baptisti? I think that's what he's saying. Okay, cool. I think I have everyone. Diego. Hi, Diego. Josh a little bit. Wild Monkey Design. Josh. Wild Monkey Design. Okay, cool. All right, I got you all. That's my list. Closing it. If you're watching a recording, sorry. That's why you got to be part of the hashtag Bell Squad. Yeah, no problem. Again, not guaranteed, but I'm going to ask. I'm going to ask tomorrow morning. Be like, yo. Vlad jokes. Hook a brother up. Oh, webflow.com/Oakland. What? Really? That's cool. That's for Thomas. Okay, got it. Thomas would be /Oakland. Got it. Cool. All right, so that's great. How long have you been streaming? Oh, an hour and a half almost. Okay. Yeah, that's a little bit about it. So we didn't get 1-to-1 with this one, but I mean, it's close. And I mean, we were able to do, oh, that's so pretty. And I'm not talking about the layout. Well, the layout's pretty. The ships is awesome. This cutout is ugly. But, oh, come on. Come on, XSplit. Do the things. Boom. Look at that. Where's my... How do I resize the things? Oh, there. Look at that. You can move things anywhere. Man. This is nuts. All right. So there you go. Josh, oh, I ended up getting CMS content to show in a Gmap. How? Wait, and you show me your ways. Yes, Carlton. The Vlad that you were talking to in the chat room was the CEO of Webflow. I'm gonna screenshot that and send it to him. Ding! Screenshotted. Sending it tomorrow. Yo, what is that app thingy you're using? Which app thingy? Wait, when I did the responsiveness, that's if you right click on any website, click on inspect, and then you'll bring up DevTools, right? If you click this guy right here, this little icon, toggle device toolbar, you can click on it and then set this to responsive. and then you can drag this right here. And as you can tell, SpaceX's website is not responsive. But, you know, they don't need a responsive site to sell rockets. They make them land on their own. All right. Cool. Anything else? Anything else I want to show? I think we've learned a lot. Learned a lot, saw a lot. Hope I can give you guys access. Would be really nice, because I appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys so much. Oh, I didn't have a deep thought today, huh? I have written down all these deep thoughts, and I like sharing them because that's me. I think too much. I guess that's the thing. Let's see here. What is relevant to this? Probably nothing. Let's see here. Nope. I got nothing for today. I'll come up with something tomorrow. Or I mean next stream. But so what's happening? Let's put some music on. Oh, as always, I'm going to put this on my... I'm going to set it on Showcase. Showcase my site. Huh, interesting. Allow others to clone it. Okay, Space Grid. So just go to my... what's easier is just go to webflow.com. You're not seeing it, jeez. Come on. Come on, thing. Oop. Fine. There. Alright, so the easiest way to, you know, take copies of all the stuff I've been doing in my streams is go to webflow.com/pixelgeek. So this one is already there, so take it. Someone already liked it? That was fast. Oh. Or do I get one for free? Like, here, let me... Oh, I liked my... So you like your own immediately when you paste... Okay. Did not know that. Well, but you're not seeing my screen. Jeez. Come on. There. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. This like button. So anyways, if you go to my thing... I'm over it. XSplit, why do you do this? Okay, so go here. Click on this guy. Go ahead and clone it. Click on the like. Oh, you guys already liked it? Thank you. Yeah, clone it. Have fun with it. You won't see the grid in there, unfortunately, but if I'm able to give you access, you'll be able to play with it. All right. And for everyone else, you may have to wait till next month, but next month is just what? 1 week away? What is today? Let me look at the calendar. I don't know what yeah, next week. Next week is the beginning of October, so I don't know when in October we're launching, but we are launching early October. That's what Linda said during the stream. Let's go here. And let me pick a song. This one here. Let me go back. I like Future Bass. Volume 3. Let me just throw something in the Crystallize. How's this sound? Happy beats? Ow. Very nice. How about this one? Okay, there's lyrics. Okay, we'll use this one. Alright, what's happening? So, thank you guys so much for being here. I stream every other day, and I try to, around 9:30 p.m. What's today? Today's Wednesday, so next one will be Friday. What I'm going to try to do Friday is, try to stream with my wife, probably during my lunch hour, because around 12 p.m. so it's gonna be much different. If I don't get to stream with her, then it'll be same time, 9:30 p.m. Pacific. But what we're trying to do is rebrand the stream, rebrand me, and then after we rebrand me, I'm able to get better assets for these streams. So the layout doesn't look all janky right now, but it does the job. And some people ask, people who don't know me, they're like, "What's the P for? Your name's Nelson." It's like, oh, Pixel Geek. So gonna rebrand me. Still gonna be Pixel Geek, but better logo, better graphic assets and whatnot, because she's a graphic designer. And then after that, really hoping really hoping that right after Webflow e-commerce comes out, I'm gonna have my shirts, and I'm gonna give away some of my shirts and also sell them. So we'll see about that, because I want to make stuff that say my tagline, make it look beautiful, and maybe do some puns too. Like what was that? I'm a great rapper. Something like that. But this is gonna be fun. Thank you guys so much for being here. You guys are totally awesome. Yeah, got nothing else to say. So I'll see you on the Webflow forums. That's about it. So thank you guys so much, and I hope I can get you CSS Grid. Hopefully you got hyped on CSS Grid for Webflow, and I'll see you next time. And as always, make the web beautiful. See ya.